You want to know how I got these scars? Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to an episode of Dirtnation Offroad. So today, I got a brand new vehicle. I picked up a Ram Dodge Power Wagon. No, I'm just kidding. We have a slider install on Mr. Feenies. Now you guys know Feenie. Feenie's in a lot of our videos. He's the scared guy, goes slow, 2,000 years later. You know, cut a couple clips, you know who he is.
2,000 years later.
Oh my God. Oh! Oh man. Bro! We're gonna be installing some sliders. I'm gonna let Feenie do some talking because you know what? It's my day off tomorrow. I don't want to do nothing. So I'm gonna let Feenie talk about his sliders and what he has for you guys.
All right, guys. So you know who I am, as he just said. And as you can see, we got the thick white knuckles. A 2x4 is what they were.
Don't ask me.
Well,
this is your gig.
You're right. It is my gig. So yeah, 2x4, and as you can see, they're about 150 pounds a pop.
They're honkers.
Yeah, I mean, like you can literally do this. Wait for it. That might have broke my truck. Yeah, my bad, dude. And we're gonna try to do this with hopefully, you know, more people, but you know, we're gonna get them on here. So let's get into it.
Side note, slider installation. There's some things to talk about. You guys watch my slider install on the Tacoma over there. You guys know how it went. Just cut a clip. In fact, cut the clip again. Cut it one more time, but make it funny. Gotta be safe with slider installs. So we're gonna be using jack stands today. We're gonna use a jack because these things are a lot heavier. These white knuckle ones, like I said, 150 pounds each. Hefty. So, and the RRW ones that I have, I think are like 80 pounds or something like that. And if those didn't kill me, these would. So we're not gonna drop those on our face. We're gonna get started on installing these. We'll show you all the hardware, everything that you need, and then we'll link below where you guys can pick up your own for your Ram Power Wagon because they are super important. Note to Jesse, he got his way too late. Smashed up the bottom side of his Power Wagon, but if you need smart, he got him. But let's get to the install. Oh yeah, nice and powder coated. And then they got the diamond plate on there.
Look at the hotness.
Schmancy. All right, getting some of the hardware out. So each side has 10 bolts with 2 washers and a lock washer and a nut. These are big thick boys. And then it has these plates. Now these plates are all labeled, so mine are out of order. So this is the front, top, passenger side, and then it goes second, third, and rear. So there's 4, and these line up on the inside of the slider. You stick the bolt through, like so. Stick the bolt through, and then it'll bolt into the slider itself, which has its own plates on the outside. Obviously, we're going to show all that stuff, just showing you guys the hardware. This is a standard 3/4 or 3/4, whatever you want. Oh, no, wait.
Yeah, you totally got it, right?
3/4?
Yeah, 3/4.
3/4.
Yeah,
good. 3/4. So, got an impact, got a ratchet, and then got a wrench. And I got a breaker bar. This breaker bar built America, by the way. 1947. Suck on that. Feenie's getting all puzzled, looking through all the information.
Yeah, I don't read, so
he's got his tools.
Yeah, you know.
And I got my tools.
It's a combination. We're gonna make it happen.
Yeah. He's also doing something where you have to take off the plastic trim pieces over here. I'm guessing it rubs against the slider as it flexes. So
that's an 8.
Yep.
And then the rest of it is just
There's
plastic
10s, right?
clips, which I already broke one of them. Yeah.
Oh, okay. So yeah, these plastic pieces,
they're fragile.
you're taking those off.
Yep.
So I'm gonna just set that up right there and hope I don't. What we're gonna be doing is the Sheriff and Feenie are underneath. They're gonna put the slider on jack stands like so, and then from there I can slide the one that I'm gonna start with the rear, slide this through, lock washer, all that good stuff. Let's get to it. Okay, you're tilted up, so bring it in. Okay, so Sheriff, hold yours. Okay, Lift it up on your side, Sheriff. Just your side. Lift it up. Up more. I need it more. Okay.
This looks hot.
Okay, Sheriff. Lift it up. Lift it up. Up, 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 up.
Hugs it like that. Damn.
It needs to come in. Push it in.
On Sheriff's end?
Yeah, just Sheriff's end.
Like that?
Yeah, but I can't find the hole. That's what she said. Oh, oh, oh.
You find it?
Okay,
yeah.
hold it.
Holding.
Oh, your exhaust is in the way. Nope, we're good. Okay, first set is in.
Woo. Can you break dance underneath?
I can't, but I'm gonna inchworm my way down. Hear my back fat going flap, flap, flap.
I knew you wouldn't let me down.
Come on, dude!
Dude, that's scary.
Did you see the video where he popped himself in the face with this?
Yeah.
Everybody's seen that video, Sheriff.
That was the inspiration to get sliders. Oh yeah, I can't wait to use these suckers, dude.
Okay. Don't celebrate
I cannot
yet.
remember which box these are. That's okay. Yeah, I know. Right?
That's gonna haunt you forever.
It is. Like, how did I do that? It's the top part.
Don't worry, give it one run.
Well, you scratched the top?
Yeah, dude.
Oh, good job. Nailed it.
I needed some reading marks already.
No, I'm saying look from the outside of the truck. Do they look normal?
Yeah.
They look...
Oh, dicks.
Can that compartment come out?
Which one?
That compartment inside the truck?
This?
Yeah.
I think so.
There's 2 bolts, yeah. Take that fucker out. We got some T30 screws that we have to take out. This is for the box on the inside because it blocks one of the bolts on the frame. So we're going to take this sucker out so that... Oh, that didn't work.
Slide right out?
Nope, we have 2 more bolts to take off.
Son of a...
Yep.
Here you go.
Woohoo! So right now I'm working on tightening all of these, but the passenger side is mounted. All 10 bolts ready to go. Feenie looks happy.
Yeah, I am.
He's very happy. First one is on and it is looking delicious. I'm gonna go ahead and give the step test. Let's see if I fall. That is looking good. I will say, I didn't drop a slider on my head, but what I did do, and I didn't get on camera, unfortunately, I was tightening, it slipped, and I punched myself in the face. Fun stuff. But Feenie's gonna tighten the second round because it's getting dark, so I'm gonna make him do it. So you guys can bring it up now. All right, I'm gonna get out of your way. Careful, watch the bed.
I gotta walk over it.
I'll walk it out. Okay, Sheriff's is on. Okay, you can set yours down. Now just hold it in place.
Yep.
And I'm going to ponder for a second here. I need you guys to come in. I'm going to move this at the same time. Well, just Sheriff first. Okay, Sheriff, I'm going to push it in, okay?
All right.
Come in more.
I'm stuck in the back. Oh, wait.
No, you're good. You're good. Now, Feenie, you can bring yours in.
Okay.
Well, you got to move the thing in, too. Lift it up more. Okay.
I guess.
Just want America.
Can we just have complete, like, air-fed engines?
What is it catching on? What are you being a hoto for? Wait. There we go.
Hey!
We got money!
Wait, hold on. Now come up. Oh, I think we're there. All right, go ahead and come back. Okay, stop. Feenie, is that good or more?
Let me just check it real quick. That's good right there, bro.
It is?
Yep.
Okay. All right, it is now nighttime, but we have reached success. Now, the reason that it took a little bit longer than normal is because you have to, on the driver's side, take off a couple skid plates and stuff to access the top parts of the bolts on the frame and everything. So it's all good to go. They're actually pretty easy to install. Took around what? How many hours?
4?
4 hours between 2 knuckleheads. White knuckle heads.
White knuckleheads.
White
now,
knuckleheads. Feenie, wrap us up.
All right, guys. So now I should be able to go through Cleghorn just fine, going through the chute. Anything Dirt Nation throws at me. I mean, look at these. Not only will I slide like a skateboard now, but look at this. Well, let me just show you guys something, okay? Before I used to have to do this, lunges. Now, oh snap. Oh snap. I got a step, dude. This is hot. Gold Mountain took my steps away, but I got them back today. Thanks, White Knuckle.
All right, that is it for the install of the White Knuckle Ram Power Wagon sliders. We'll go ahead and link below the White Knuckle slider. So if you guys have a Ram Power Wagon, or do they make them for regular Rams too?
Do they what?
Do they make them for regular Rams or just Power Wagons?
They do make them for Rangers, Tacomas, F-150s.
Okay, White Knuckle makes sliders for a lot of different trucks. We'll go ahead and link them below so you guys can check them out. But we'll be abusing these in the near future, so look forward to that on a future video. Also, check out Feenies Channel, because he's got a channel of his own. I don't know why he gave me this video, but thank you, Feenie. I appreciate that. But other than that, I want to thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe to channels, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Patreon. You can also hit us up for shirts at dirtnationoffroad@gmail.com. Other than that, thank you guys. We'll see you again next time.